Move column by name to front of table in pandas. Here is my DF. How can I move a column by name, move, to the front of the table, index 0? This is what the result should look like. My current code moves the column by index using df.columns.toList, but I'd like to shift it by name.
We can use lock to reorder by passing a list. Another method is to take a reference to the column and reinsert it at the front. You can, with very early versions of pandas, also use 9 to achieve the same results. But 9 was deprecated from pandas 0.20.0 onwards and was discontinued as of pandas 1.0.
Maybe I'm missing something, but a lot of these answers seem overly complicated. You should be able to just set the columns within a single list. Column to the front. Or if instead, you want to move it to the back. Or if you wanted to move more than one column.
I prefer this solution. It's simpler to read and faster than other suggested answers. Performance assessment. For this test, the currently last column is moved to the front in each repetition. In-place methods generally perform better. While City-Norman's solution can be made in place, Etchum's method based on .lock and Sashin's method based on reindex cannot. While other methods are generic, City-Norman's solution is limited to pos equals 0. I didn't observe any performance difference between df.lock calls and df calls, which is why I didn't include some other suggestions. Original system, 2019, Python 3.6.8 and pandas 0.24.2 on a MacBook Pro, mid-2015. Current system, 2022, Python 3.10.5 and pandas 1.4.3 on a MacBook Pro, 2021, Apple M1. Results. Above are the updated values for a rerun in 2022. The rankings have remained stable over the past years for different systems, although the absolute numbers have decreased by factors between 2 and 10, from which City Norman's solution and my solution, Normanius, have benefited the most.
You can use the df.reindex function in pandas. df is define and list of column names. Move the column name to wherever you want. Then use df.reindex function to reorder. Output is df.
Yo, danke Fehler. Der hatte kein Schiedsrichter